Unit 38. Taylor does Mr. Gordon a favor.
Will you do me a favor, Taylor?
With pleasure, Mr. Gordon.
I have an appointment with Mr. William Rogers this afternoon. I've got something very urgent to do for Mr. Clark and cannot see Mr. Rogers today. Will you go and see him at 4:30?
Certainly, Mr. Gordon. What shall I do there?
Take this contract for him to sign. We need his signature today. Will you ask him to read it carefully?
Yes, Mr. Gordon. Will you give me his address, please?
Miss Fields has it.
Does Mr. Rogers know that I am going there?
Not yet. Will you ask Miss Fields to let him know?
Yes, sir. Shall I come back to the office after that?
Yes, of course. Mr. Clark is not here, and I'm going out too. Miss Fields is new in the office and doesn't know the office routine very well yet.
Are you coming back, sir, or shall I close the office?
I'm coming back after 6.
And Mr. Clark?
I don't know. That's why I want you to come back to the office.
Very well, sir.
Will you do me a favor? Will you give me John's address? Will you let me know about it? Will you tell him to wait? Will you please sign this document? Will you please speak to her